guys, good morning, good afternoon, wherever you are watching me from. This is Money Close with Mercy. And so guys, I found this indicator by ChartPrime that is said to mark all the shift levels for you. And basically guys, it's something that has really made me really love this indicator. It is the fact that it is plotting this right on real time, guys. As you can see on live market over here, we have a level that you can really use to know where the market is really heading to. That's why I'm really convinced to use this indicator, because remember, for you to decide whether to use any indicator or not, number one, you need an indicator that is working on real time. You need an indicator that is not repainting as well, and this indicator has really proved it's not repainting, and that's why guys, I want us to try it together. To add it, you're just going to click on indicators tab in tradingview.com. Just going to type market shift levels. This one right here, you click on it. Once you click on it, to appear like this right on your chart. Let's go directly on settings so that we can learn more about this indicator. And so guys, under settings, this is basically what I want you to activate, or rather this is what I want you to concentrate on, so that you can find accurate data, or rather the information you really need. On input, I want you to leave length at 55, and that's why I want you to actually label data to volume, simply because we need to see the volume. Input status line, ensure it is highlighted, and that's what the style leave is on default setting. Then after that, you click on OK. This is exactly what we really need for us to execute our trades. Okay, so guys, something you don't really know about this indicator, it shows us the support and resistance levels, and showing us the support and resistance levels, guys, you're supposed to know this is what price react to, therefore empowering traders to spot early trend transition. All the levels you see right here, it shows you a shift level, rather level whereby price can really react to. Whenever you see a level like this, you're going to make decisions whether you're going to execute a trade or not. And that's what we have the volume right here. I know you can see in different colors. We have this one in red color, and basically guys, you will see the other one in green color. The volume you're supposed to know are added when price weaks into this level, helping traders gauge the strength of rejection or acceptance, you know. And so guys, the indicator, rather the quote of the indicator, was trying to put across this: execute your buy order, ensure you see the volume right here, and you see price as well breaking below all this. When all is done and dusted, you actually execute your sell order. But basically guys, I can tell you for sure, even with the volume itself, you cannot execute your trade. All you really need very much is something we call the shift levels, simply because number one, or really need in mind that they work as your level that you're supposed to watch the market from. And so what you're supposed to do right about now, you see price getting into your levels that you can actually draw yourself your high and lows, like your support and resistance level, you extend it. Once you extend it, guys, you have as what to keep back in your head. Candlestick should close above the structures for you to continue buying. It has to close below the structures for you to continue executing your sell order. If you see this hasn't applied at all, do not execute your trade at any given point, simply because guys, this can as well show you the trend of the market. Let me hope this can be clear so that you can understand it clear. This one's right here, let us assume the market was at this level right here, and there is no much activity that basically took place. What you really saw right here is that price was actually at the level, this level right here. And so what the indicator was doing, you only need to see it plotting all this for you. When you see it breaking and closing this below, you can actually think of taking your sell order. If they keep on breaking and closing below, it shows you the trend to the upside. As what happens when you see it price breaking above it, it shows the trend has already changed. The candlestick are actually breaking and closing up. When you see it breaking and closing up, it shows you an uptrend. So this is actually something you're supposed to pay attention to. And so I want us to go on live market so that we can have a clearer picture of what is happening right here. Here we are at this level right here. And so guys, they can really work so well for us as well, simply because all you really have to understand here, is price actually heading upward or is it heading to the downside? Simply because at this level right here, guys, if you saw clearly, price was actually consolidating, okay? And I told you it is plotting this on live market simply because this candlestick came up to this level right here, but there was this highlight over here. So you cannot continue executing trades as you see candlestick being rejected and closing above. When you see it breaking up this level over here, you extend this one because as well it becomes a level that you're supposed to watch the market from. When you see it breaking and closing above this one right here, you execute your buy order. And as you can see, guys, that is basically what is happening right here. Another thing that you're supposed to know about this indicator is that what was plotted in the past, all you have is actually extending them because they become a level as well you're supposed to watch the market from. They are actually level that you see price reacting to, guys, and that's why you can see at this level right here, price was really reacting and being rejected, closing below. When it got to this level as well, because it is a critical level that you're supposed to watch the market from, price reacted to. It was unable to break below, and that's why you see it is proceeding to the upside. Those are the things that you're supposed to keep back in your head if you want to use this indicator more effectively, simply because, guys, this is the very crucial thing you really need. An indicator that is working great, an indicator that is plotting everything on live market, an indicator that is portraying the volume, an indicator that is showing you this is exactly what is happening. So the indicator is super reliable, and I would love to encourage beginners, if you don't know how to draw support and resistance, if you don't know how to identify the high and lows, use this. It will actually go and plot all this for you. All you have to keep back in your head is that price can react to these levels, so all you have to do is waiting for candlestick closures. When you see price breaking and closing above them, execute your buy order. When you see price breaking and closing below them, execute your sell order. As simple as that, guys. Keep on trying. It is going to make you profitable within the shortest period of time if you use the rules I've told you. Let me hope, guys, you've learned something from this video. Remember, it is called the market shift levels by ChartPrime. Remember the setting as well. Use it accordingly. It is going to really favor you, okay? So, guys, bye bye. I'm gonna see you in my next video. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel if you haven't. Don't forget to like this video as well. I don't really have much to say, so guys, continue watching my other videos because a lot more is coming this channel. Bye, guys.